Ever missed an important notification because your phone was on silent or too far away? Let's fix that by turning on camera flash notification. It's a smart feature that uses your phone's camera light to alert you. Here's how you do it. Go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap advanced setting. Under notification section, tap flash notification. Now turn on camera flash notification. Tap preview to see how it looks. If you want, you can tap camera flash notification to choose whether the flash should work for all apps or only certain apps. So when your phone is on silent across the room, or you are in a noisy environment where you might miss sound, this feature helps you notice notification immediately with a bright visual cue, even if you don't hear a thing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.